Hello, I'm Irene from Spain, and I'm going to prepare the light potato salad. First, the ingredients. We need a kilo of potatoes, a spoon of mustard and a spoon of oil, some pepper and salt, and onion. I have washed the onion previously and put it on water to remove the strong flavor. The first step is to boil the potatoes. So we put the potatoes here, previously washed, and now we put some water. And now we put it here and we add some salt to give them some flavor. When it begins to boil, we need to cover them and decrease the temperature. While the potatoes are boiling, we are going to finish washing the onions and we are going to prepare the mixture of mustard and olive oil. The first thing I'm going to do is to smash the mustard because I have it here in grains and we need them in powder. And now I'm going to finish washing the onions. I have finished washing the onions and now we are going to put them in the bowl. Now I'm going to see if the potatoes are good or not. Now the potatoes are finished and I'm going to put them in the bowl to cool them. While the potatoes are cooling, I'm going to do the mixture of the mustard and the olive oil. So we are going to add it little by little to make sure that it's mixed correctly. And now I'm going to peel the potato. And this I'm going to do it with the rest. Now that the potatoes are peeled, I'm going to cut them into small pieces. Now that we have cut all the potatoes, I'm going to mix them with the onion and I'm going to add the mixture of olive oil and mustard. Now that it mixed it, I'm going to add the olive oil and the mustard. And now, to finish it, I'm going to add some pepper. And now, to the fridge. And that's it. I'm going to eat it tomorrow, and I hope it's really good. Bye!